Delivered from destruction. Listen to this documented testimony. On Monday, when I got to the office, my boss started ranting at me. But I could not figure out the reason, so I kept quiet. 5 minutes later, when I opened my office door, I saw two red-haired lizards side by side moving out of my office. I was amazed because it was not naturally possible for such species to move side by side. However, they were killed by another colleague of mine. Immediately, the lizards were killed. My boss came into my office, pulled off his clothes. My other colleague who saw him knew he was insane, so he was taken to his office. An hour later, he prostrated before me and asked for forgiveness. I was surprised, so I asked him, "How can I forgive you if I don't know what you have done?" But he kept asking for forgiveness. When his case became critical, he was taken to ARO, a hospital for the mentally deranged. He died few days later. Meanwhile, his wife also sought for my forgiveness in the office. He confessed to me that her husband kept a small pot under my seat for my destruction, and that everyone involved in my issue were all dead. As she was confessing to me, she collapsed and was rushed out of the office complex. Few days after the incident, my overall boss called me and said I was due for promotion. Now I am occupying the same position of the man who wanted me dead. Hallelujah. Jesus is indeed out for his elite. John Isaac Innocent is the testifier.